completed our 4 problems. But
We finished.
Sir, we have completed 4 problems.
we
We
have
finished it.
completed the 4 problems.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. That's good. And then we started with the openings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. We will go with the openings. Okay. Openings. What I have taught you? Anybody can summarize what we have done? Vineet, can you summarize? Yes, Vineet, can you tell me, or Urvi, can you tell me? मागच्या वेळेस काय काय opening मध्ये दिसलं.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Apurva, can you
Sir, you told the 8 rules. Sir, you told the 8 rules, and opening is broadly classified into 3 categories: the E-pawn opening, D-pawn opening, and all other openings except E and D.
Okay, that I have explained. Fine, fine. So I will summarize again little bit and then we will continue. Openings are broadly divided into 3 categories. One is if E-pawn opening, that is E3 or E4, that is E-pawn opening or king pawn opening. Then D-pawn opening, that is D3 or D4, and then all other opening except E-pawn and D-pawn opening. 3 categories. This is from white side as well as black side. Okay. Now some of these openings, they are when they are good for black, they are called from black side, and some of the openings are good for white, they are given name from white side. Whoever has played these openings, if somebody has done something on the screen, please don't do it. Please don't do it. Please rub it. Those who have done. Who has done that? Okay. So somebody has developed certain openings. See in 16th and 15th century that time, and those openings were very popular. They became very popular, and they were given the name by the player who has invented. So most of the time you will find these openings have name of the inventor of that opening, who played that opening much, or the name of the province, name of the region is given. So one of prominent openings are kings, king pawn opening in earlier, and nowadays everybody plays D pawn opening. Okay, so we will go with first king pawn opening. The most played opening from king pawn is we call as Roy Lopez opening. Roy Lopez opening, a French person who used to play this kind of opening, and Geico piano opening. Both are little similar. Geico piano opening or Italian opening. Geico piano opening is also called as Italian opening. Both of these openings, they highlight on attacking the F7 pawn. Both these openings, and it has many different. These openings have got many different traps. So we will go with the opening moves which are played. You can note this down, these first few moves in your notebook, and then we will see the variation also, and we will see the traps also. So the first for this Italian opening is pawn E4. where you create the control of white squares, and black responds in a similar fashion where black creates the control on all dark squares, equal control for both the sides. Then NF3.
Sir, I cannot hear.
You cannot hear? Hello?
Yes.
Hello? Just wait then. I will join from other device. One minute. Huh? Hello, can you hear everybody properly? Show me the thumb. Yeah, yeah. So you have heard, na? First controlling of these squares because of this pawn and because of this pawn. Then knight f3 is the very standard move in the opening because it creates the space for the castling purpose. So you can write second move nf3. To this, there are many responses here. So we will go with the first main line. Main line means what is a main attack is played and then the variation also. So you go with the response is knight c6, nc6 because this is giving support. That's all. Very simple. Black responds to the attack. That's all. Then here is the first variation comes. If you play bishop c4, it is called as Italian opening or Geico piano opening. And if you play bishop b5, it is called as Roy Lopez opening. Very little difference over here. Opening here or opening here. Now, what is the difference? Can anybody tell me what is the difference between these two moves and which could be better according to you? See, both are better, but I would like to know how you think. Can anybody? Which one is you feel better?
Sir, the
Yes, Atharva.
Italian opening, sir, where the knight is at present, means the bishop is at present. This.
Okay, that is you feel better because it is attacking the weak pawn. Okay. Yes, Parth.
Sir, same as Atharva.
Okay. Urvi.
Sir, see,
Yes, Urvi, I'm listening.
Arit,
Okay. Aradhya, what do you think? Aradhya, which is better move according to you? Okay, Vinit has raised the hand. Vinit, tell me.
sir, the Italian opening.
Okay, you like Italian opening. Then who wants to contribute? Shubhankar, tell me.
Sir,
Shubhankar,
Geico
Yes.
piano.
Geico piano. So same. Okay. Arav. Yes, Arav. No.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Sir, Italian.
Italian. Okay, you want Italian or Geico piano. Yes, Vishwas, Tanvi, what do you think? Which one is better according to you? Wait, Aradhya, wait.
जो
Sir,
आता
can
है
I
तो
say?
Okay. म्हणजे आता जिकडे आहे तिकडेच. This is better. Okay.
attacking pawn.
Fine. Aradhya.
Italian.
Okay. Everybody is saying this is better. But now I will tell you what. Yes.
Italian.
Italian. Fine. So everybody is saying this, but I will tell you this opening is very dangerous because it is widely studied. Many children, when they start playing, or many players, they know all the possibilities over here. Everybody come after studying a lot. So they know the possibilities. And here, though this is very good opening for white, for it can, all the attack can come back to white also. Black has equal opportunity. And as you can say, you will see in the beginning, white has a slight advantage of doing move first. That is the only advantage white has got. That is, white can decide what to play and what not to play. So here, Roy Lopez is also a very good move where it is a much safer. Safer in the sense, you can go for a draw or you can win, but losing is little difficult in this Roy Lopez, which over the period of time, people have seen this. And as I have told you, nowadays nobody plays this. And why you want to learn this? Because if your opponent plays, then you should know what to play from black side. That is why we are learning this. Let us find out the merits and demerits. Here, this is direct attack on the knight. And why? Knight is a protector of this treasure. So that means clear indication, you kill this and you get this free. Very clear indication. But not immediately. Not immediately, because otherwise when you play this, black plays this. Because black do not want your bishop to be over here. If black plays this, then this is a clearly pinning. We have seen the pin. This is a pin. This cannot be moved. So this gets a protection. Black plays this or this, whatever. What happens? If he plays this, he will simply go back but continue the attack, not doing it immediately. If he does immediately, what will happen? You take this and then this comes. Attack. If it is supported, attack. This has to go back somewhere and you lose this again. So it is equal. So whatever happens, then this is a nobody will win this game. And you want to win the game. So usual exchange does not take place. Exchange doesn't take place. The idea behind Roy Lopez is nothing but attacking like Italian opening only. That is what I am going to show you now. Similar. Okay, so black plays this, white goes back, do not attack. Then black plays this, supporting. White goes for castling. Black may go over here, pinning. White attack, black goes over here. Then white comes over here. Then black comes over here. And this goes over here. Now you see the bishop is again attacking this. Like our Geico piano. But Italian opening. In Italian opening, bishop is hanging. Bishop is over here without any support. And here bishop has got the support from this. Now this can come or this will come first because not allowing this to come over here. Then this goes, then this comes, then this comes, then this comes. And this is a very normal. See, all these 4 pieces are developed. Even this is also developed. And for black, these all 4 are developed. And now after the castling, which is a very normal opening for both. You will find that within first 10 moves, as per our principles, white is developing all the pieces and everything in white side is supported. Only this is not supported thing. This is not supported. And for black side, everything is supported except this. But this can come over here or this can come over here attacking this. Or even this can come over here also. If the attack is there, it can protect itself. Now, only question will be who will start the attack. And here comes the concept of breakthrough or breaking move. That means this pawn over here or this pawn over here trying for center control. Trying for center control. Now, so many different variations are here, but the concept you must understand that all your pieces developed, number 1, all these 4 pieces, and with the castling done, and secondly, you play with the support. Nothing will happen to you. If you play with the support, nobody is going to defeat you in the opening. चाहे वहां पर विश्वनाथन आनंद आ जाए या मैग्नस कार्लसन आ जाए. You play according to the rules. Opening में आपको कभी तकलीफ नहीं होगी. So we will see for traps. Do you want to see the trap now? What are the different traps in the opening? We haven't done any trap. Have we done any trap?
No, sir.
We have done only fool's mate
No,
and
sir.
scholar's mate. Now only 2 mates we have seen. Any other thing we have seen? No. Vishwas, do you remember? No, nothing. Fine. So we will we will see our first trap today, which is very commonly played when you know your opponent is weak. You play all these traps when your opponent is weak. If your opponent is strong enough, no trap is possible. And strong enough means what? He is playing according to the rules. So the first common trap, that scholar's mate which I have shown, I am not going to show that. Simplest of the trap. First move, response, attack. Now here, instead of this, many a times you will find white plays this directly. Second move, direct attack, taking out the queen. Attacking what? This. Now all of you, I am requesting you please write your response in your notebook. You don't have to show to me or you don't have to show to anybody. You just write your response. After you finish writing, I am not going to ask you also. Don't worry. Simply you write what you feel. What
Sir, we have to play from white or black.
No, you have to play for black now. You write only one move which you feel this is good move. Whatever we have learned, so you write according to your learnings. What will black play? Or if you are black, what will you play? Once it is over, you just show me the thumb. Now, if you are written, done everybody? Now it is seen worldwide that to this move from white, a response is this maximum. Because nobody wants queen so near. Nobody wants. And second most response is this. So if you have written this move or this move, you are one of the commoner in chess. There is no problem for that. But if you have response, given the response this, or if you have given the response this, you are making progress. Now, what is the difference between this and this? Here, the simple one is that queen is attacking this piece, pawn. So you have to protect it. Common sense. Queen is attacking this pawn, queen is attacking this pawn, but both are supported. This is not supported. This is not supported. So your first thing you ask your question is, what am I losing? And I'm losing this, so I have to protect this. This protection can be best way done by pawn movement, number one, or knight movement. The third way of the protection is this or this, taking your queen also out. This is the third most important. Otherwise, everybody will do this. Now, where the trap is? Trap is here and trap is here. Both the moves, there is a trap. Supposing you have played this, you are falling into the trap. Check. Now, possibility of this coming over here, this coming over here, this coming over here. Only three possibilities. Out of which this possibility is the best, or even this possibility is second best. This is not much better. Okay, why? I will show you. We will go with first. You get this? Simple. So you are up. Rook up in the third move, fourth move, you are winning the game. The only response, this is better because you are losing this, and then you can come over here, you are losing this. That's all. This much only can happen. 2 pawns. Because this cannot kill this because of the support, and he cannot kill anything else, and you are losing this also. So what black plays is, black plays this over here or this over here, not kill this. And then he plays this. Attack. He goes back, attacking this. And then this comes. So in general, white will develop peacefully. One by one piece will come out, and white has one rook extra and white will win. This is the first most simple trap in the opening. And that is because black has made a blunder, or black has violated the rule laid down, and that is why he is punished. So this move, and this move, you should not do this move. Now, next is somebody plays this. Still you are losing this. Now this may come, or this may come, whichever it comes, whichever is, what you have to do is that if this comes, you simply go back, protecting this. Now, if this comes, you can go over here, protecting this and protecting this. Very important. And afterwards, whatever black plays, you can simply go on doing like this, everything normal, but you are one pawn ahead. All the time opening your one pawn ahead, that means chances of you winning the game is more than 51%. And what the correct move should be from the black is protecting that pawn. That's all, nothing else. Is protecting this pawn. Simple. Nothing is going to happen. Maximum is mat. Next move is this. Now, double attack. Now you can do this. So double attack will not be there. Maximum he will come over here and again it will be double attack. And then you can do this. Now though no double attack. Queen cannot reach up to here. Then he will try to, sorry, it was here. He will try to develop over here. He will also come for the protection. Then this and then this. King is over here. Finish. You are fully protected. Black is fully protected. Nothing is going to happen to black. And white is not good in position because queen is out of its own original position very early. And two moves, white is black. One move over here and one move over here. That means these two moves are wasted by white. So development wise, white is not in good shape. And hence nobody does this move. I am taking different board. Just a moment. Because this board doesn't have, you know,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yeah, 1 minute, just wait. Yes, tell me the doubt now.
Sir, why we have
This
to
move,
protect
this
the
move,
pawn which goes
this
ahead?
move, yeah. And then this
Sir,
over
why we
here.
have to
Tell me now.
protect the pawn? Sir,
We have to
why we
protect
have
the
to
pawn,
protect
yes.
the pawn in the middle?
Two reasons. Number is you have to protect all the pawns. Because it is your army. If you go on losing your army, then you are bound to lose. So you don't have to lose anything free. If you are losing one pawn, you should at least get back one pawn. So that is the one reason. And second reason is its center is always, you know, controlling the center is very important. All these squares are coming in the center. So if you have control over these 16 squares, more than 99% or 90%, you are going to win. And then when you are losing your center pawn, you are losing the center control. So with these two reasons, you cannot afford to lose this center pawn. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. So this is the very common thing because you are letting open this. And it's a good move. Or you can go with this. Developing the knight, because knight may come over here and knight may attack over here, giving fork, which is very bad for white. Or knight may come over here and again attack here. You understood this? Easiest trap I have shown. Let us go for little difficult trap.
Sir, I did not understood that
Yes.
night one.
Knight one. This knight, na? Okay.
Yeah.
What I was trying to say is that knight, when it comes on this particular place,
afterwards knight may go
Sir,
over here.
I also didn't understand.
Wait, I will show you. I will show you. See. This over here, this over here, this over here, knight is coming to protect this. Okay. Now, this is a normal development for black. When knight comes on this particular position, what knight is doing? Knight is protecting the pawn. As well as knight has one intention, or black, I will say black has one intention. कि क्या होगा अभी इसको अगर बाद में इसका भी प्रोटेक्शन मिला बाद में, तो अभी नाइट को यहाँ रहने की जरूरत नहीं है इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, ये तो और एक प्रोटेक्शन है, तो नाइट यहां पर भी आ सकता है. ओके, या यहां पर भी आ सकता है. और ये दोनों स्क्वायर क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज यहां से नाइट ये पॉन मार सकता है, ये पॉन अगर मार दिया तो क्या होता है? ये चेक आ गया, इट इज अ चेक, एंड यहां पर ये भी गया फोर्क. wherever he moves you get big piece. अभी आपका ये अगर घोड़ा इसमें मर भी गया तो भी आपके 3 पॉइंट जाते हैं और आपको 5 पॉइंट मिलते हैं. So this knight when it comes over here, you must understand that today or tomorrow it is bound to attack this particular square, and that is why this move is important. Ultimately you have to attack your enemy, and ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको खाली किंग के ऊपर अटैक करना है. मुझे अगर जीतना है तो जीतने के जो तरीके हैं, 2, 3, 4 तरीके हैं, उसमें से एक तरीका क्या है? सामने वाले की जितनी भी फौज है वो फौज को कम करो. जैसे जैसे सामने वाले की फौज कम होती जाएगी, उसके पास लड़ने के लिए लोग ही नहीं रहेंगे, तो लड़ेगा कैसे? आपके पास ज्यादा फौज है तो आप जीतेंगे. You understood this? अभी समझा बेटा? When I showed the arrow, that means this arrow means this can come over here and can come over here. It is in the future.
Sir, I understood.
आता कळलं ना बाळा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, good.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to show you now next trap, which is little difficult, but still you have to learn that. Na? Of course, you have to learn that. So I am going with that. Everybody plays this, attacking this pawn. Okay, because white wants to castle also and attack this. This is a normal opening which we have said, going for Italian opening or something. Black sometimes reply in a different way. Black says, okay, तुम मेरा एक pawn मार रहे हो, मैं तुम्हारा एक pawn मारूंगा. Black also attacks on this pawn. Now you tell me whether this move is good or bad. You write in your notebook bad, or you write in your notebook good. You decide it. You feel it is bad, it is absolutely okay. If you feel it is good, still it is okay. Now listen. All moves in the chess, they are either bad or good depending upon whether how your opponent responds. यानी आपने बहुत खराब मूव की है, लेकिन अपोनेंट को समझा ही नहीं आपकी मूव खराब है, तो वो थोड़ी खराब होगी मूव. समझ रहे हो ना? तो गुड और बैड ये जो है ना, वो सब आपके अपोनेंट के समझ के ऊपर है. समझा तो ठीक, नहीं समझा तो चल गया, बट हम लोग बच गए. तो यहाँ पर ये मूव गुड एंड बैड में नहीं आती है कुछ भी. It is a very clear way of defending yourself. We have learned how to defend, and out of that, defending by counter attacking is one of the things. आप एक मारो मैं एक मारता हूं, बात खत्म, इक्वल. Let us see what happens. Now, if white chooses this, क्योंकि white क्या सोचता है, मुझे एक फ्री मिल रहा है तो मैं क्यों ना ले लूं. मेरा एक जाएगा वो तो बाद में देखेंगे, मुझे पहले मिल रहा है. And here the trap begins. If white takes this, then black should not take this back. Instead, black should play this. Now what is happening? अभी white को ये बचाना है, ये बचाना है, और ये बचाने को जाए तो ये जाएगा. यानी ब्लैक ने जो पॉन दे दिया है वो टेम्पररी है. ब्लैक का व्हाइट का भी पॉन निकल जाएगा. व्हाइट कैनॉट सेव बोथ एट अ टाइम, कैनॉट. कितनी भी कोशिश करे, यू कैन थिंक ऑफ एनी मूव. मैक्स टू मैक्स पीपल विल प्ले दिस, प्रोटेक्टिंग दिस. एंड इसको प्रोटेक्ट किया तो इसके तक वो क्वीन आ ही नहीं जाएगा ना. बट व्हेन व्हाइट plays this move, then